Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into your Apple ID so the change syncs across devices. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap your name. On Mac, open System Settings and click Apple ID. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and iCloud syncing is enabled so the photo updates everywhere. Once signed in, decide whether to use a new photo, a saved image, or Memoji. This choice affects cropping and background options, so pick the source before you tap Edit. Now you edit the image itself. Tap your profile photo and choose Camera to take a new shot, Photos to use an existing image, or Memoji to create an avatar. After selecting, use Pinch to zoom and drag to crop the face area, and rotate if the horizon is off. Make use of background blur or color controls where available, because a clean background improves visibility in apps. When the framing looks right, tap Done to finalize the edit and prepare to save. Finish by tapping Done and confirming you want the image on your Apple ID. The change will push to iCloud and appear in Messages and Contacts. If it doesn't show up immediately, make sure iCloud pictures and contacts are syncing. Try toggling iCloud off and on for Apple ID photo. If problems persist, sign out of Apple ID then sign back in, or restart the device. This often clears cache issues. If you still see the old picture, check for system updates before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.